In this video we are going to see that how to log application level error and redirect the user to the error page. So in this case what we will do is that we will create one generic error page, and whenever any error will occur in our application we will simply redirect the user to that particular error page. So let us see how to do that. In order to do that, first we need to specify a setting into our web.config file. So let me do that. So here is my web.config file setting, and I'm just putting that into my application web.config file. And here you can see that what we have is that we have kept one custom error tag inside my system.web, and its mode is equal to on, and redirect mode is response.redirect. This is related with a security issue, so it is always suggested to keep this redirect mode equal to response.write, and then default redirect is error page.aspx. It means that whenever any error will occur, then simply the user will be redirected to this error page.aspx page. Now let us create one error page.aspx page. So here is the error page.aspx page, and on this error page.aspx page let us keep some text, and that text will be basically simply a generic message. So here is my generic message saying that sorry, an error has occurred, and this is the generic error page. Write your message, write your custom message. So whatever message you want to write, you can simply write it down. Now in the global.asx page we will also need to specify something. So let me create one global.asx file here. Here is my global.asx file, and in this application error we need to write some code. So my code should be something like this, and let me tell you what is this code. What is happening is that using server.getLastError method, you can say that getLastError method, we are actually getting the last error that has occurred in this application, and then we are getting the base exception of that particular error, and we are saving that into the exception object or exception variable, you can say. And then we are calling a log error method by passing the actual error that has occurred using this particular exception object. So now let us create a log error method as well here. So here is my log error method. Now as I said earlier, you should keep this log error method into your utility functions, utility class file, so that you can access this from anywhere you want. Now in order to execute this code of this log error, we will have to naturally use some namespaces, and that namespace is basically system.io and system.globalization. Using system.io we can use file object, and using system.globalization we can basically use these culture specific objects. So now let us understand the log error. In the log error, what we are doing is that again I am doing the same thing that I had explained earlier. We are checking for the today's date log file. If it exists, then we are appending the error into that particular file. Otherwise we are creating the log file and appending the error into that. Now, and if any error occurs while logging the error, then simply throw the error. That's it. Now let us create some error on the ASPX page and see if it is really using this application underscore error event or not, because this application underscore error event occurs when any application level error is occurring. So now I'm going to my ASPX page. Here I have a label control and I have a button. On click of the button I am executing the raise error server side method, and in the raise error method what I'm doing is that I'm trying to divide by 0, and naturally because the divide by 0 will throw error, so my expectation is that because I have a specified custom error mode equal to on and a default redirect to error page.aspx, so it should go to the error page.aspx, and because in this global.asx page we are handling the error, getting the last error and writing into the log file as well, so I should have one log file created here also. So now let me run this page. When I will run this page, you will see that it will naturally has rendered one button. When I will click this button, then what is happening is that this raise error method is firing, and that is causing the error. And because of this error, the user is getting redirected to error page.aspx page, and this error page.aspx page, this message is written, and that's what the message is being displayed on the of the browser. And now, because we have also written this log error method in the application error, so I should have one log file created here. You can see that log file has been created, and in this log file you notice that I am getting divided by 0, and the whole error that has occurred is being logged into this log file. So this is the way to basically handle the error application level.